today's method, we won't be doing affiliate marketing. You don't need to have skills, and you don't need to have a camera. In this tutorial, I will be sharing 6 different websites that you can use in making money online. And in this method, you don't need to use any social media platform at all. If you want to learn more about this method, then stay tuned. Make sure not to skip any part of this video, so you won't miss out on important details. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Now, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so as I've said earlier, we have 6 websites to go through today. So let's not waste any time. So the first 3 websites will get you paid, and the other 3 websites will do most of the work for you for completely free. So you should keep watching so you won't miss out on any important steps. Without further ado, the first website which I will be sharing is logomyway.com. As the name suggests, this is a website where various companies from all over the world come in order to get a logo design done for them. As it says here, get a logo design you love guaranteed. Start a logo contest now and receive dozens of creative logo concepts within hours. So this is a brief information about how this website works. Companies from all over the world come here to this website so they can find a suitable logo for them. And the site's designers actually give them dozens of logos to choose from. And if that designer gets picked by the company, then he or she will get paid. Alright. So maybe some of you would be worried because you don't have any design skills or whatsoever. You don't have to worry because I will be showing you have a website which could actually help you with that. So you won't actually need design skills in the first place in order to get paid. Anyways, here it says choose from 70 to 600, plus custom logo designs from professional and creative logo designers from all over the world. So they will be giving companies over 600 logo designs to choose from, which part is not really important compared to the last part we just read. This method is available all over the world. There might be a few exceptions, but this site will surely be available in your country. If you scroll down at the bottom of the page, you will see some logo designs which have been submitted by the designers. These logos look absolutely wonderful. And they are professional looking. They are also really creative and colorful, which I love. But I want you to go past them and proceed to the bottom part of the page, where you will see this logo designers make money. This is a bit small, so you must look for this very carefully. I want you to click on that, and will be redirected to this page right here. This is the sign up form, and you will have to enter your basic demographic information about yourself. So you have to fill all of this in order to create a free account. Now, let's not take a lot of time for this sign up process, because I think you already know what to do. So you just have to fill that and then it's just that easy. Before we proceed to the next website, I just want to show you this here on the left-hand corner of your screen. You can see that they said contest prizes vary from $200 to $1,000. So even if you think you have a lot of competition, knowing that even one customer would pick your design, you can earn hundreds of dollars for that, even up to $1,000. So it's a really big amount of money. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on, let's proceed to the next website. This is over99designs.com. This is yet another designer website that will help you do most of the job. What I love about this website is that this offers a lot more options for the customers and designers. If you click on category right here, you will understand and you will see what I'm talking about. This is not just a logo design website. You also have web and app design, business and advertising, clothing and merchandise, art and illustration, packaging and label, book and magazine. To simply put it, there are a lot more options you can find here for different kinds of designs. In order to get started on this, all you have to do is just go back to their homepage and scroll down to the very bottom of this page. Under resources, you will see yourself become a designer. I want you to click on that. From there, all you have to do is just complete the sign up process. And that's it. You're good to go. Now I want you to go to the last website, which was Pay Us, and that is overdesignCrowd.com. Personally, this is the best website among the 3. What I mean is the Design Crowd offers a whole lot more categories than those two websites combined. This means that this website offers you far more opportunities to get paid. So you will only be doing logo designs. If you hover the mouse here at the top on categories, you'll see a bunch of categories that you can design on. You have logo design, business card design, stationery design, letterhead design, and village design, name card design, banner ad design, newsletter design, email design, Facebook design, and so much more. There are only just a handful of the categories that they offer. And it gets better. If you hover your mouse on designers and click on logo designers, you will see how much these people make from this website. And it's a lot of money, you guys. We're literally talking about 6 figures. And it's just not about the money. In fact, these people come from all over the world. That is actually amazing. If you take a look at this designer from Chile has made over $200,000, the same of this designer from the United States, India, and the Philippines. They all have earned $200,000. There are also people from Macedonia, Georgia, Mongolia, and Canada. These top earners come from all over the world. Which means this is such great news. Because you can do this to wherever you are from the world. You can actually try and do this as your side hustle. Let me just emphasize that you can do this wherever you are around the globe. Because I know for a fact that some of you guys, my viewers, are having a hard time with some of my tutorials, because some are not available worldwide. So today in this video, this is actually a great opportunity for you. And I am glad that you clicked on this video, because this is going to be really worth it. Without further ado, in order to get started with this website, all you have to do is click on this register button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. And when you're already redirected here, you'll have to enter your basic demographic detail. And make sure to click on I'm a designer. And that's it. That's all you need to do. So these are the 3 sites that will get you paid. Now let's proceed to the 3 websites which will do the hard work for you. I want you to go over to logomaker.com. If you want to design logos, then this website is perfect for you. This is the most popular option of all 3 websites, which I will show you if the logo maker is actually perfect for that website and is completely free to use. So you won't worry about investing any money at all, because you won't have to do that. Here on the left-hand side, you can see that you can add text shapes and other editing options here. There are over 1 million graphics here. And by clicking on the search bar, it will now show you some of them. Yet, this website offers you a lot of different options. So no matter what your potential clients are asking, you can find suitable graphics for the logo. Okay, so let's say for example, you're going to design a logo for a food company or whatsoever. Check out the results this website gives me when I type in food. In the search box, there are hundreds, if not 1,000s of results here. And this is just the results under food. You can also search for other categories depending on your client's needs. If you have chosen one graphic or vector art, you can actually customize them however you want. Here, you can change the size, the color. You can add another logo to go with it. You can even add texts. If you click these 3 dots here, you will see additional options, for example, deprecated, center back, delete, flip horizontally, and so much more. If you're satisfied with how your logo looks, you can simply click save. And that's it. In general, Logo Maker is actually a really great website for you to make logos. And this is really beginner friendly. So you won't need any technical skills for this. The next website we have here is called canva.com. This website could already be familiar to you, because a lot of people use this for office work and class words. This website is really popular. So this website Canva is for those of you who don't like to design only logos. If you have your mouse here on the templates, there are actually a bunch of different options to choose from. You can create a document with Canva. You can create a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, a Facebook post, posters, brochures, infographics, and so much more. To get started with Canva, all you have to do is create an account, and to do that, you must go over here at the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on Sign Up. You have to log in and then you can get started right away. The last cycle I'll be showing you is PicMonkey.com. This site for me is the best out of the 3 websites. But there is a teeny tiny catch. This website is not for free, but you have a 7-day free trial. So in that time, within the 7 days, you can actually create a lot of designs so that you can sell them to your clients and make a bunch of money. And whenever you gain earnings from this, you can start investing by purchasing a plan on PicMonkey. And you don't have to worry because it's going to be really worth it. Aside from photo editing, PicMonkey also has a feature like Canva, where they have a lot of different templates for you to choose from. Hence, you can create a bunch of different designs for different platforms and for different clients. So in any case, you just have to choose the right site for you to explore the sites I mentioned. And if you like one or two of them, I highly recommend you use them immediately. If you also want to have multiple streams of income, then you can absolutely use all these websites. And again, you don't have to have any design skills in order to do this. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.